Hi, welcome to the Just Plain Painting channel, and today here we are in the work shed, and what I have here is a Craftsman 10-inch compound miter saw that I just got. We're going to do an unpacking today. Reason why I got it was this cheap secondhand, I think Ryobi or one of those brand saws. You know, the nut broke on me when I was trying to get it, to get the blade off. And you know, when I picked it up, it was on the side of the road, probably 10 years old at that point, and it really gave a good return for its money, which was free. So I went to the lumber yard, not Home Depot or any of the big box places, but a bona fide local business, and I recommend you do the same. You know, keep local people employed, local business. And so I picked this thing up. It was probably the cheapest, price-wise, cheapest miter saw that they had, and I think it was $139 plus tax. And of course, what purchase of a miter saw would be complete without a pair of ladder mitts? I always need ladder mitts. Alright, so let's get to it. I've been dying to pick up a new one for years, but the old one just never died. I mean, it's hard to throw away a tool that's actually working. You know, I didn't intend to break it, but when it did break, I was glad. This is model, I'm not sure, it's 21236, prefaced by a small 9, 15 amp laser track, so I assume that even the light here shows a laser light shining on the table. That would be nice. Always wanted one of those. Maybe I would hate it. I think I'd want one. Alright, so let's see. Looks like we have a few tools. I think I have never used one, but I think this is for molding. Perhaps you put the molding flush against the back and holds it in place for making cuts, especially when you do crown molding around the ceiling. I believe that's what it's for. Something that looks like a screwdriver. The tool, I believe, for probably changing the blade. A little handy bag for catching the dust off the back, which is very nice. Some sort of U-bolt with a compound bend to it. Okay. So far, very nice, very nice. And we have a manual with batteries. And it says model number 137.212360. So yeah, the 212360 is what it says in the box. Okay, that's the top part. Let's get that out of the way. Alright, am I still filming? Sometimes this camera likes to... Yeah, we're still good. Camera likes to cut off on me every once in a while, more often than not. Alright. Okay. That's all that's left in this box, so just push the box off to the side. Okay, there we go. Just get the plastic off. plastic feels like there's some weight. No, there's nothing else in here. It's a very, very smooth action. Okay. Let me just see how all the table moves around. Has a lot of stops. Has more stops than the old blade did. You know, especially these angles like 22.5, 31/6, which is common for crown molding, especially when you hold it down flat. Okay. Is that all the way to 45 degrees? No. Yeah. Locks in. Yeah, quite. I would say very, very nifty blade. Let's see how. Has this little thing in the back for adjusting the angle. Not quite sure. Yeah, look at that. You can twist it around. The compound cuts. I've always had a very, very simple miter machine. And I always thought like to buy a compound miter saw, like they have on those tables and stuff, was a lot of money. But this, for $139, this does a ton of stuff. Interesting. So yeah, there it is. It's the Craftsman 10-inch compound miter saw with laser track, 15 amp. 4800 no speed load or no load speed. Model number 137212360. Yeah, she's sturdy. We like it. So that was today's unboxing, and I will be using this tool on future episodes. And I'm already very happy. It looks like a very nice machine. If anything, it's a little lighter than the old machine. It's okay. Although over time, tools always seem to get a little lighter duty. But if it does the job, it does the job. I mean, I'm not a contractor. At least I'm not one anymore. So this will suit me just fine for what I want to do. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that, and look forward to demonstrating any more equipment that I get, and using this tool in future episodes. I'm actually going to use it right now, because I was just about to use my old miter saw when it got busted, and that's why we had to get this as soon as possible. Okay, thanks for tuning in, and hope you subscribe. Right, bye.